Welcome back to another video, guys. Today we're going to be reviewing the BASENOR, I think that's what it's called, Mudflaps. Okay, so we're outside. It just finished raining. If you take a look at these little fasteners right here, those right there have to move. So cool thing about these though is that if you take a look at the panel itself, there's a little thing right there for Model 3 FL. That stands for front left, meaning this is the front left panel. It attaches right there like so for a beautiful finish. So it's a bit dirty, but let's see if we can get these off. So these right here, what you want to do is get in between the little panel, or the top and the back panel, and then just kind of pull it out. So you'll see right there, it came off. You got to go in between these two right here. There's a little lip that you can stick a tool into right there and pull it out. So that's one. The second one is back here somewhere. Let's get that one out. All right, and got the two off. Now let's use the fasteners that they gave us. All right, so I got these two in right here. These are the new ones that came with the kit, so I'm just going to be using those, and we just stick it right back in. So line them up, push them in, and then give it a good push. Oh yeah, that's nice. Now up here, we have to attach a clip, and the clip goes on the plastic mud flap and the metal bracket behind it. So it's really hard to see, but right here, we just line it up and push it in. Okay, I got it in there. Now let's move on to the other side. All right, so we're looking at the same thing on this side. It's really hard to get a good angle, but I'll just go ahead and do it quickly, and then we'll move on to the back. This one says FR for front right, which is the front passenger side. Get a nice loud click when you push them in there. Just like that. Let's try to get this stupid clip in now. I honestly don't know how this clip is supposed to go in. Okay, got it in. Now let's move to the back. Okay, so we're here on the back tire, and this one's a little different. So you'll notice it still has this pin right here, so that pops out super easy, but on this one there's a bolt right here, so you can see it right there, and it's this one that we have to take off, but they did give us a tool for it. So they gave us this tool to use to pop off the bolt there. So what you do is you line it up, and then you just twist it, and you just keep twisting until it feels loose. And then you can use your fingers to remove it the rest of the way. There's the bolt. And then this for the rear left just pops right in. Again, we use the bolt that it came with, or the little fastener that they gave us. Push until you hear the snap. And then we put the bolt back in. I'll try to give you a better angle so that you can kind of see what's going on. This is where the mud flap is, so the bolt should line up. Do it by hand first, and once you know it's in there, you can use this to finish tightening it up. All right, that's not going anywhere. Let's move on to the final one, and then let's see how it looks. Not the best viewing angle, but we'll just speed it up, get this over with, because it's wet and I'm cold.
Down here.
Remember, righty tighty, lefty loosey. Then we pop this into place. Get a nice snap, and then we put this bolt back in. Righty tighty. And that's not moving either. I don't actually think those need clips, so let's see how they look. So I probably could have waited to install this, but I'm very impatient Look at that. It's so cool. I also probably should have like washed the car a little first before put them on, but not bad. I love it. It looks factory, which is like the biggest thing that I'm always after with these installs. I want to make sure they look as factory as possible. And I can safely say that these do look very factory. If you look at it from the front, you can't even tell that they're there. Well, I'm gonna go back inside and dry off a little bit, warm up. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you have these or if you know of another brand that you really like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.